Now, for many years, the exotic thorny Mathenge plant that grows in arid areas has been viewed as a villain that only wreaks havoc on plants that dare venture where it grows. However, in Katilu in Turkana County, where the plant thrives, locals are turning the challenge into an opportunity. Well, here, the prickly plant is a cash crop of sorts. Many families eke a living by burning charcoal from the plant, which is scientifically referred to as prosopis juliflora. Keitany spent time with these farmers. Take a look.
Prosopis juliflora, also popularly known as the Mathenge, is a small, fast-growing and drought-resistant evergreen tree of tropical American origin. Its pods can be used as livestock food and are fed upon by the native herbivores. It has good timber and shade and quickly turns bare arid environments green. These qualities rendered it an alternative candidate for arid land environmental rehabilitation programs. In the 80s and early 90s, it was a preferred species in afforestation, fuel energy, and fodder programs in Kenya's Turkana and Baringo districts. But later on, the plant turned vicious when it formed thorny, impenetrable thickets, especially along watercourses, floodplains, roadsides, and in inhabited areas. It was encroaching upon paths, dwellings, irrigation scheme, crop farms, and pasture lands, significantly affecting biological diversity and rural livelihoods.
Mathenge, madhara ya kwanza, shamba ikichelewa mwezi 3 inajaa kwa shamba, inazuia mkulima kupanda. Alafu madhara ya pili, miiba yake ikikuchoma, hiyo kinonda iponi haraka. Miiba yake kuna sumu.
But today, far from its menacing nature, for Philip and other farmers at the Katilu irrigation scheme, the Mathenge plant has become an alternative source of income, with the county government encouraging them to burn charcoal using the Mathenge tree, which also acts as a control measure for its invasive nature.
Kwa siku ama kwa wiki nitaweza kuwa na makaa kama gunia 10 hivi, ambayo gunia moja ya makaa inalipwa shilingi 500. Nafikiri sasa kwa hiyo gunia 10 nitakuwa na shilingi 1500. Haya shilingi 1500 nafikiri ninatumia kupelekea watoto shule na matumizi ya nyumbani.
Philip and his ilk sell a sack of charcoal for 500 shillings. Buyers are mainly brokers who load it onto lorries and ferry it to nearby towns of Lodwar, Keitany, and Eldoret, where each sack fetches as much as 1,700 shillings. The National Irrigation Board, which also runs and helps in maintaining the Katilu irrigation scheme, has also spent millions of shillings trying to tame the plant. The Mathenge plant was introduced into the country as a desert control plant, but because of its invasive nature, the plant has become a nuisance in most parts of the country. But for farmers here in Katilu irrigation scheme in Turkana County, this plant is now providing them with income through charcoal. Keitany, KTN News.